Namaste students. Today's our topic is grounds for divorce. Although marriage is held to be divine, the Hindu Marriage Act does permit either party to divorce on the grounds of unhappiness or if he or she can prove that the marriage is no longer tenable. A petition for divorce usually can only be filed 1 year after registration. However, in certain cases of suffering by the petitioner or mental instability of the respondent, a court may allow a petition to be presented before 1 year. Grounds for divorce. A marriage may be dissolved by a court order on the following grounds. Number 1. Adultery. The respondent has had voluntary sexual intercourse with a man or woman other than the spouse after the marriage. Second, cruelty. The respondent has physically or mentally abused the petitioner. Desertion. The respondent has deserted the petitioner for a continuous period or not less than 2 years. Conversion to another religion. The respondent has ceased to be a Hindu and has taken another religion. Number 5. Unsound mind. The respondent has been diagnosed since the marriage ceremony as being unsound of mind to such an extent the normal married life is not possible. 6. Ground of divorce. Disease. The respondent being diagnosed with an incurable form of leprosy or has venereal disease in a communicable form. And 7. Presumption of death. The respondent has not been seen alive for 7 years or more. And last, no resumption of cohabitation after a decree of judicial separation for a period of at least 1 year. In addition, a wife may also seek a divorce on the grounds that in case of marriages that took place before the Hindu Marriage Act 1955 was enacted, the husband was already married and any other wife or the husband was alive at the time of the marriage ceremony. The husband after marriage has been found guilty of rape, sodomy or bestiality. And third, cohabitation has not been resumed within a year after an order for maintenance under section 125 of the CRPC. Under the Hindu Marriage Act, Adoption and Maintenance Act 1956, the wife was underage when she married and she repudiates the marriage before attaining the age of 18 years. All are grounds for divorce. Thank you. Thank you so much.